Holy smokes, is this the time when the cryptocurrency market always pulls back, or has the bull run been canceled? The Fed is also discussing this week what we need to know about the possibility of another market shock. We will also discuss the positions with a significant level of leverage that could be rattled negatively or positively. We will discuss XRP under 3. What are the levels at which we should search for XRP once more? All I ask is that you smile at me so that I can radiate those positive feelings. Smith Shitty hits the like button because the cryptocurrency market is still a roller coaster. Yes, there will be ups and downs, but this is all part of the game, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. This is your weekly reminder that cryptocurrency investing is dangerous, as we do every Monday. A rug pull bankruptcy wallet hack, a smart contract hack, or even a Schlitt coin dropping to zero might cost you your money. Never make larger investments than you can bear to lose. Very, very crucial to keep in mind. As usual, keep in mind that I will never advise you to buy, sell, or hold because I have no idea what the market will do on a daily basis. Not financial advice, of course. Always conduct your own research before making an investment. Additionally, keep in mind that I will never message you on social media to ask you to send me money or join up for anything. They are con artists. It's not me if you see me on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Those are phony obvious. All I have is this YouTube channel, and my YouTube page links to my Twitter account. All right, people, exercise extreme caution. As of right now, XRP is trading at 2.96. Indeed, XRP fell below the $3 mark, but it's not only XRP. The entire cryptocurrency market is a lovely, juicy crimson. Here under 3, XRP made its debut. Can observe this. If you have been a longtime viewer of the channel, it is not shocking. As you are aware, I issue warnings regarding the weekly candle closure on Sunday night and Monday morning. We've witnessed this before. There is a sell-off. Actually, it hasn't occurred in 3 weeks, but this week it did. It is a component of the game. It occurs. Thus, we witnessed this sell-off. Saw exactly here at about 20:30 a.m. or 20:30 p.m. my time. Consequently, take 7 back. It's too early in the morning to conduct any calculations, so I'm not sure correct, but I believe it's around 10:30. It would be 9:30 or 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, no correct. This crossover was observed here. As you can see, Bitcoin fell below 117 and then all the way down to 115. Ethereum is also down 4%. They all began selling off at the same time, as you can see, and Ethereum is currently at 4,268. Solana is back to 180, and even yesterday's favorite, Link, which was rising beautifully, is down 4.3% today. All assets are generally down between 4 and 5%, with the exception of Bitcoin, which is once again holding the line and displaying resilience. As altcoins begin to bleed, you can see that Bitcoin's dominance is rising by 0.7%. For now, Bitcoin is maintaining steady. Once more, we have witnessed this occurrence numerous times. Altcoins will plummet significantly while Bitcoin holds, and when Bitcoin rises somewhat, altcoins may run or rise slightly, depending on the state of the market. Thus, we'll see how this develops. However, you should be aware that Bitcoin began to decline in 2017 and 2021 at this point in the cycle. A 1-week retrace with a depth of minus 29% occurred in 2017. The 3-week retrace in 2021 was minus 25 deep. Compared to earlier retraces in their respective cycles, each of these was faster and shallower. Additionally, each of these retraces' brief and shallow nature served as a crucial technical component for the subsequent significant rise in the corresponding prospective uptrends. Is it time for Bitcoin to begin a retrace? In addition to being consistent with past cycles, a shallow and key retrace would be a technical component of a successful final price discovery upswing. 3. Thus, this is the crucial query. And this, if you will, is the million, billion, or trillion-dollar question. Does this cycle differ from others, or is it the same? There have been instances where it has been similar and instances where it has been different. Therefore, this will be the query. We've only retracted 7.5% if we take the top here and look at how much we've pulled back so far. It goes without saying that a 20% or so decline in Bitcoin would put us at about 100,000. Additionally, altcoins will be severely smashed if that occurs. Correct. Therefore, I'm not claiming that this will undoubtedly occur. We may be in for a situation where traders and investors believe that this will occur, but once again, what has happened in past cycles does not guarantee that it will happen in this one. Consequently, they are selling and taking assets off the table. Who will suffer harm in this situation then? You're correct, of course. Responding. Harvey, I am aware that you are yelling at your TV or phone, which are heavily manipulated to your advantage. Yes, this is the person who will suffer harm, individuals who possess spots. Yes, they will notice a decline in the statistics on their portfolio. Correct. From a theoretical standpoint, it's simply numbers on the screen if you don't sell. Correct. Leveraged traders, however, will suffer severe consequences, and we're already witnessing this. If you have been following the channel for the past few weeks, you are aware that I have been warning folks about getting smushed if they are overly leveraged. People leverage up a lot if we go up a little because they think, oh, it's the last leg. This is the last leg. Correct. And what? It's not. The current theory is that it will eventually be the last leg. You don't want to miss it after that. The issue is that users delete their accounts before that occurs. You must therefore exercise extreme caution. All right, thus we'll see how this develops. It will also be fascinating. In one instance, Ethereum leveraged short holdings reached an all-time high. There are many people who are yearning on one side, but there are also many shorts on the other. Therefore, if there is a run-up, it might be really powerful. Particularly from Ethereum, we'll have to wait and watch how this develops. This week, we might experience additional suffering. While the stock markets may be extremely erratic, have a solution. This week, Jackson Hole is taking place and VX option contracts are expiring. On Friday, August 22nd at 10 a.m., Fed Chairman Powell will discuss the economic outlook and framework review. Since we only get to hear the Fed chairman once this month, it has historically been a challenging week. The Fed only meets in September, not in August. Therefore, in the past, this Jackson Hole gathering has triggered sell-offs and pumps. Therefore, the market may swing if he says anything extremely bullish or pessimistic. I appreciate you watching. I hope to meet you again soon. Let's make a lot of money, as I usually say.